Over 300 people signed up for this year's event. How amazing! We get people flying from Netherlands, from Finland to speak in our event. The floor is full of bright, curious power platform enthusiasts.
Today is a really important event because it's a community event for the Power Platform community. This is the third year in a row, so now it's a traditional event that we will be hosting hopefully every year together with the Power Platform community.
The community has grown over time, and right now we are 250 active members here in Denmark, and we could see that 15 new members have signed up today.
What's great about it is the versatility of things you can do with it, from creating workflow, creating agents, creating low-code applications, and all of the things you can build on top of it and together as well, so which brings incredible set of capabilities for our organization to basically achieve more.
I think this event is very important to bring people together, to teach them, to make them network. So hopefully everyone enjoys their day, and great to see you again next year.
AI is here to stay. AI co-pilot, AI autonomous agents. Agents will be part of our life. Agents will make our life much more easier, and agents will make sure that we can do as a human the really nice stuff instead of the recurring, boring action that we have to take all day.
After the release of agents, we are starting to look into, okay, how can we use agents and incorporate them into our different applications. We have a few retrieval agents now, nearly ready for production for all our users. So how can we integrate agents into our other applications? And that is what is really exciting about what's happening now.
I have nothing to say but just thank you, and looking forward to the next year where we are going to make a much bigger event.